I guess Easter Bunny didn't come. Maybe you were too rotten yesterday.
Oh, what?
Better go look downstairs. Sometimes he lays stuff downstairs because he's lazy.
He's lazy head.
He's so old.
No, I'm not.
No, Easter Bunny is old.
For goodness sakes.
Let's see. No, nothing in here.
I know. This toys. Oh. Where did those candy go? We could have some of.
I wonder if he's in there. Look.
Ah!
Oh my goodness.
I wonder you couldn't take it upstairs.
Let's see which one is who. That one is mine.
How do you know?
Because it has Star Wars.
Oh.
Could you help me, Daddy, please?
Oh. Star Wars.
Yeah. Star Wars.
He knows how to open it. Oh my god. Oh, it's falling down.
Hey, this is... Hey, stop! What?
What is that?
What?
Oh,
Gross. Paper? A clone. Of course.
Bubblegum eggs that are sour. Eggs.
But,
Oh, lots of jelly.
hey, Dad, Papa, you can have this.
wow, look at that. Oh,
It's a helmet. Oh!
Oopsies. Dun, dun, dun.
That's a what? Hey,
Yes, it
this
is.
carries jelly. That carries
Thank you,
jelly.
Barbara.
No.
mmm.
Again.
Wow, that's crazy, Eddie. Look at that. That's a helmet.
Here, I don't know what this is. Chocolate peanut butter. Peanut butter. I love peanut butter. Doesn't. I know, right? People who are allergic to peanut
What's that?
Mighty Bean.
Really?
What are they?
Mighty Bean.
Let's see.
Mighty beans?
Mighty Bean.
And something weird goes on here. Oh, it's so cute. My brother got some.
What's that?
Hey.
What is it?
Oh, squirrel. What are you getting?
Clone.
Really? A Clone Warrior?
No, it's an Easter squirrel.
Easter squirrel.
Yay.
See. Oh, cool. You can play with him.
Spying on us. What'd you
Clone
get?
Warrior action
Star Wars
figure.
stuff?
Yes.
Hmm?
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Yeah, Easter Bunny is quite something, huh?
Here's some of yours.
No, thank you. Is the Easter Bunny a good shopper?
Mm-hmm.